Welcome back to Auto Action. Since creating the minivan market, Chrysler has kept improving the recipe. The Stow-and-go seats of the Pacifica fold into the floor, a built-in vacuum is provided, and grocery bags may be hung from the rear of the seats. Next are the typical benefits of a minivan, which include wide-opening sliding doors, 3 rows of seats that can accommodate up to 8 people, and handling similar to that of a car. Chrysler provides a 287 horsepower V6 engine and a 260 horsepower plug-in hybrid, which sacrifices performance for efficiency. We were able to get 540 miles out of the plug-in hybrid with a full tank and a charged battery. The gas-only model is offered with all-wheel drive to placate the SUV crowd. The Honda Odyssey, Kia Carnival, and Toyota Sienna provide fierce rivals. While none of them provide the same selection or as much clever engineering as the Chrysler, they are all more recent than the Pacifica. With plenty of cubbies, cup holders, slide-out bins, and internet, the Pacifica is an excellent choice for those who prefer minivans due to its roomy, airy design. Although the materials, fit, and finish are all respectable, the cabin contains some low-end plastic parts. The bigger center consoles on the more upscale limited and pinnacle models give those trim levels an SUV-like impression when driving. They also fit in more smoothly with the dashboard. The luxury Pinnacle variant has matching lumbar cushions for the second-row captain's chairs in addition to quilted leather upholstery, a feature not seen since the ultra-luxurious Mercedes-Maybach S-Class last stopped by our office. The basic stow-and-go seats in the Pacifica offer less cushioning than those in competing vans since they have to fold down small enough to fit into the van's floor. Chrysler engineers added more padding to the regular captain's seats to make up for losing the stow-and-go second row in the Pacifica Hybrid. The battery pack takes up all the underfloor storage space. In terms of payload hauling, the Pacifica delivers excellent results. After we folded down the second and third rows of seats, we were able to fit 53 of our carry-on bags within. Although it is an optional feature, a built-in vacuum cleaner takes up room that may be used for a mini spare tire.